Hello, friends. Welcome back to Roma Quiz World. In today's challenge, can you guess the animal by their sounds? Before starting, please subscribe to the Roma Quiz World channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Can you get this first animal? Which animal sounds like this? Yes, that is lion. On to the next one. Can you recognize this animal? You got it. That is tiger. Here comes another one. Which animal makes this sound? Yes, that is elephant. Ready for the next animal? Do you know which animal this is? That is right, it is dog. Let us see if you can get this one. What animal sounds like this? Yes, that is cat. Here comes the next challenge. Can you identify this animal? You got it. That is cow. Listen carefully to this one. Which animal makes this sound? Yes, that is pig. Here is another animal for you. Can you guess this sound? That is right, it is horse. Let us keep going. Do you know this animal by its sound? Yes, that is sheep. Here comes the next one. Can you figure out which animal this is? You got it. That is chicken. Are you ready for another one? Which animal makes a sound like this? Yes, that is duck. Let us try another animal. Can you recognize this sound? That is right. It is frog. Here is your next challenge. Can you tell which animal this is? Yes, that is wolf. Listen to this one carefully. Do you know which animal makes this sound? You got it. That is monkey. Here comes another tricky one. Can you guess the animal from its sound? Yes, that is snake. And here is the final one. Can you identify this animal? That is right. It is goat. Thank you for watching till the end. Take your next challenge by clicking on this video. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.